On the test, you are going to have to create your own graph. This one is having a situation with some numbers. You will be able to make up your own numbers or just tell a story with it. Zeke lives 30 miles from his Aunt Zelda and is riding his bike home from her house. Interpret the graph to tell a story about what could have happened on his ride home. So looking at it, it says time in hours, and it says distance from Aunt Zelda's house. So right here, okay, that's 0, 0. So right now, he is at Zelda's house because it's on his ride home. So if I go to a different spot at the graph, so I look right here, so this one is at 20 miles and 3 hours. So I would start my story with that Zeke biked at a constant rate until he hit 30 miles, or 20 miles, rather, in 3 hours. It's a long bike ride. Okay, now I notice that it's flat. So if it's flat, he's gaining no miles, but the time is passing. So Zeke stopped biking. And stayed at maybe a park for, it looks like he started biking in at 5 hours. So for 2 hours. Then it looks like he increased until the 30 miles. It's right about 8 hours. So then Zeke got back on his bike. For 3 more hours. And 10 miles. Until home. So it's nice to see the different parts of the graph. You could also compare that at first he rode very fast for the 20 miles, and the last 10 miles took the same amount of time, but the distance was shorter, almost half, or half the distance shorter that took him the same amount of time. So you could add that into your story as well.